Hello everybody, this is IAmFast, also known as Luis. Today, IAmFast is going to teach you math. Alright, here we go. This will be very fun. There will be timestamps in this video that is going to be listed. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Today I'm going to be teaching you math, right? Alright, here we go. Addition is so easy. You just got to combine the numbers so fast. Oh, you saw that. Now, the more you learn math, the more you go faster. So I really hope I inspire all these children, what they're learning and what they're doing. Right now, I'm a teenager and I really hope that I reflect myself in the future, that I'll be the best YouTuber. So addition is so easy. You just add the numbers. So 1 plus 1 is not 11. A lot of people are always memeing about it. It's 11. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see the board, guys. But yeah, that's what I'm writing right now. 1 plus 1 is 11. This is not a tally. This is how I usually write numbers. So that's cool. I made my own equation over here. So what you see right now in this video, 21 plus 84. Okay, so 1 plus 4 is 5. You guys got it right. 8 plus 2 is 10. Because 8 added by 2 is 10. That's how it works. That's how addition works. That is how addition works, guys. I really hope that you will apply this to what you guys are. Yeah, I keep smiling. I keep smiling. I'm not smiling because of a girl, but I'm just smiling at how I'm teaching you guys how to be a better person, how to be a fast person. So yeah, all right. Next, subtraction, very fast. All right, subtraction. This is how you draw a subtraction. That is right. The difference between addition and subtraction is that addition lets you add numbers, but subtraction allows you to subtract numbers. That is right. It's a minus. So this is how it works. Wait, let me think first. So I think I have a basic equation over here. 108 minus 37. So this is interesting. So 8 minus 7 is 1. 0 minus 3. Hey, you cannot actually subtract 0 minus 3, but you need to borrow. There is borrowing. You make this 10, and then that will remain 0. So 10 minus 3 is 7. That is right. That's how you got the answer. I really hope that I inspire the next generation of kids. I really hope that they have this vast knowledge. That is right. I really hope the one I'm teaching these children will inspire a future generation. That is right. I will inspire future generations. That is right. I'm gonna inspire all my friends. I'm gonna be inspiring all my sons. I don't know. I'm not married yet, guys. Calm down, chill out. This is me when I was a teenager. This is me when I was 17 years old. So when I was 17 years old, I had this vast knowledge. I had the understanding of the world. That is right. All right, multiplication. Yeah, I mean actually no. Don't forget that when there is a bigger number on the bottom, you gotta borrow. So yeah. If Sir Kat is watching, then I really hope that he knows to what I'm teaching these kids. Yo, I'm so fast. All right, next operation or next type of sign in math. We have multiplication. That is right. This is how you write the symbol when it comes to multiplication. That is right. Multiplication is actually a very complicated kind of math sign. That is right. Okay. So yeah, multiplication is something to do with this. So I wrote 6 times 3. That is 18. Now multiplication is very complicated. Yes, I know. I get it. 6 times 3, and this is how you do it, guys. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. That is how it works. So you have the multiplication. I'll write another form of an equation so you guys can understand more about multiplication. It is very complicated. That is right. Yes. And then after that, we're gonna do cross multiplying, and then after that, we'll proceed to division. That is fast. But yeah, all right. Let's write 9 times 4, right? So 9 times 4 is that we need to add. Yep, it can be complicated. 9 plus 9 is 18, and then 18 over here. Then 18 plus 18 makes it 36. So that's how it works. That's how you do the math tricks. I really hope that you guys see it though. I really hope. Use your mind. So that means 9 times 4 is 36. So yeah, of course, when I was younger, I used to do a little bit of accounting. I used to count my fingers, for example. So multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I used to do that when I was a kid. So I got a high score in math. I also proud that I was so good at this learning in math. That is right. My brain activity is going fast, so yeah, that's how I learned about math. So yeah. All right, cross multiplying. Okay, this one is a very complicated thingy. I don't know if you guys can see it. So what I wrote is 23 times 13. Okay, so cross multiplying is the thing, guys. And the next, you go 30 times 2 is 6. That is how it works. Okay, there we go. 30 times 3 is 9. 30 times 2 is 6. Okay. Next, we go 1 times 3 is 3. Okay. Then 2 times 1 is 2. So I wrote a lot because it's cross multiplying. I don't know if you guys can see my handwriting, but really hope you guys understand what I'm doing and teaching you guys. Okay. So 2. Then we add. After you're done cross multiplying, you gotta add. So if there's no number here, that is 9, of course. Then 6 plus 3 is what? 9. Correct, guys. Correct, Rian. And then if there's no number, or if it's like this, so that's how it works. Okay, nice one. Time for division. But yeah, if there are bigger numbers, it goes like 185 times 2. You gotta also do cross multiplying though. It can take a while if you have a lot of digits. But yeah, division time. That's the same way I do it. Okay, so now let's proceed to the division. Division looks like this though. I don't know if you guys can see my handwriting, but yeah. So this is division, or you can write it like this, pretty much. So yeah, all right. So this is division. Now division is also another complicated process. It's as hard as multiplication. So yeah, if you understand multiplication, then you won't have a hard time. So 18 divided by 3. For me, when I was answering division, I was like confused. But then when the teacher taught me this way, it was like this one. This is 6 times 3 makes up 18. Then you write 6 on top of that, and then what you get, 18 minus 18 is 0. If the remainder says 0, you don't need to write it. But if there's a remainder, I'll probably show it to you. If there's a remainder, all you need to do is just write the answer and write R2, that is right. If there's a remainder, what I did was I tried to divide 23, but there's always a remainder, that is right. That also includes decimals. I'll probably explain it further, more videos on that one. If you guys really love me teaching you guys math, then it's awesome. It's such a blessing time together to just like teach you guys some math and all that. So yeah, that's such an amazing goal, amazing opportunity to just teach you guys math. That's right. I'll probably explain deeply about the video. So yeah, this is our school, by the way. I don't know if I can do a school vlog. I remember doing a school vlog and it was very fast. I transitioned transitioned it very fast, and I'm glad you guys were still there. So yeah. So next video, I'll do a more complicated video. I'll dig deeply with other symbols like percentages, ratios, and all that. All right. As long as my mind knows, all right, that's the only thing. So that's basically the 4 basic operations of the math. So if you guys don't know all these basic informations or operations, then you can watch this video. If you have a hard time on it, whatever you are, then yeah. So yeah, like I said, everyone can do anything in this world. Everyone can change in this world. That is right. They can change what's in their mind. So what's in their mind is basically it's actually a powerful organ because it teaches you a lot of things. This is basically the conclusion of this video. That is right. The conclusion of this video is that I really hope that all these children, I really hope in the future generations that we get to encounter and witness it, observe, see. That is right. Then it will change. It will become the framework of AI. I don't know. But yeah, of course, there is AI, even though I'm the only person who is into con AI, I think. So yeah, so something like that. But yeah, so I really hope that I got to inspire you guys. I really hope that you guys are continuing the support. You guys continue to love me more, all that. So that is basically the conclusion of this video. What's in their mind can change the entire world. That is right. It can empower everything, and it can enhance and improve the world. That is right. So if we see any kind of problem, then it will be changed. But yeah, that's right. I don't know how the teacher would react to this. Thank you so much for watching. I am fast.